These past 2 weeks have been a little bit shaky in regards to my running schedule. I would typically run at least once a day, uh, and maybe skip one or two times during the week. But these past 2 weeks, I've been skipping at least 3 or 4 times each week, and that's not really where I want to be in terms of my training. Now, whether it be time or just no motivation, I still found the time to walk the dogs. I still found time to incorporate some sort of cardio plan in my life to help me stay on the path. So even though I'm not running 4 or 5 miles on the days that I don't have these long runs, I do something else. Whether it be biking, whether it be just walking, getting some cardio in. I think getting something in is better than nothing. Whether it be stretching for 30 minutes, I think every single thing can benefit you in some way, even if the intensity is not as strong. And I think that's something and somewhere that I need to transition. I need to get into that training mode, the mode that every day that goes by, I need to be working on my speed. I need to be working on my endurance. I'm slowly getting back into the groove of things and not making any reasoning to not run. And that's been a little hard after I had fallen off the running train. So this week I've only had 2 registered runs with dog walks in between, but I don't think that's enough for me. I think I have to strive to be better, and I gotta take accountability for skipping out on the days I didn't run. Good thing about walking the dogs is that I can accomplish 2 things at once. This allows me to walk the dogs, let them have their own time to get their pent up energy, and for me it provides me a way to extract my thoughts away from work, away from the phone. It allows me to just disconnect from the world just for a little bit. And I like doing these things because it provides variety in my life. A lot of times when I go running, I always try to find some sort of other chore I can do, whether it be going to the store, buying some groceries, doing some sort of task. If I can get 2 tasks done at the same time, I always make an adventure out of it. Okay, so last week I said I wanted to try the 5x5s with 315 and was aiming for that, just because I only went to 275 last week. First couple sets went well. it wasn't until this set that I kind of pooped out right here. There's just no way that I could have done the last set, so that will be done for another day. Surprisingly, from the last week doing 5 sets of 5, I did not feel sore from the squats. But that may be because the weight is too comfortable for me. I think moving up in weight would be the only way to get stronger. Maybe I'm just too comfortable with my weight, and I'm not taking big enough risk. I think risk to reward has to be assessed every time I work out. I do want to get stronger, but I do want to make sure that safety is the number one concern. I got to make sure that my body responds well to increasing of weight. I am moving up slowly and maybe not increasing as high as I like, but if I can live to lift another day, I think that's more important than going out with an injury and, I don't know, hitting your PRs. That's something I'm not interested in. That's it for this week, and I'll catch you in the next one.